guys, welcome back. It's Shelby and today we are doing a painting, which normally I don't do like an intro or outro for my paintings. I just kind of do them as like time-lapse work. Generally speaking, they're just paintings I want to do, but like don't really have any context for. But this one's slightly different, and this one is already near and dear to my heart, even though I haven't done it yet, because it involves glitter. Like, yes, glitter. I saw a painting like this and I was just like, oh my god, like light bulb moment, like why is there not glitter in my paintings? Like, of course, there needs to be glitter. So I have glitter from a different project, like a double chunky glitter, and I'm just going to be using a super basic palette of like white and gold and then glitter, and that's like literally it. So I did just want to like do a brief intro so you guys like know where I'm coming from. I haven't done this before, but I saw it and I want to recreate it because like sparkles are life. So I'm very, very excited about it. I'm using oil paint because I didn't know like what I'm supposed to use, and I feel like acrylic would dry too fast. So I'm using oil paint. So I did prep my canvas just with linseed oil, just to make everything like blend more easily and more smoothly, but that's the only thing I've done really off camera. And we're gonna get started and I'm very excited. I might throw in another color, like maybe like a pale pink or a blue, but right now I'm thinking just white and gold. So we will see how that works and see how long that lasts. But I'm very excited and we're gonna get started. And if you like the video or the painting, let me know by hitting that thumbs up. And here we go. Okay, so the painting's all done. It needs a long time to dry because oil paint takes a ridiculous amount of time to dry, especially in winter. But here's how it turned out, and in case you can't tell, I am like super excited and in love with this beautiful, sparkly, magical piece. Kind of looks like the most glamorous rust stains you've ever seen as far as I'm concerned. Like, I love it. But you can see just like all the little sparkles and shimmers and glitter. And I cannot wait for this to dry to hang it up because it's just like the best thing ever. So yes, I will probably be making many more things along the theme of this. A little bit of a learning curve for how to get the glitter to stick. I mean, glitter sticks to everything that's adhesive, and the glue, not glue, paint. Paint should have held it, but I had a little bit of issues, so Next time I'm gonna look into it, do a little bit of research to see if there's like a particular type of glue I should use. Maybe I should have used acrylic, I have no idea. But I love how it turned out and I'm super excited and I hope you did too. Let me know by hitting that thumbs up or down in the comments if you did. I'd love to see you here again soon if you wanna subscribe and stick around. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.